Did you know that many biomedical graduates struggle to work in diagnostic labs? Not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack real hands-on experience. That's where LabMedExpert comes in. We provide practical, real-world laboratory training designed to prepare you for actual diagnostic environments. From histopathology to core lab processes, you'll gain hands-on experience across every stage, building the accuracy, confidence, and skills required in professional labs. Our programs are structured to meet UK standards and give you a strong advantage toward opportunities like the IBMS portfolio pathway. If you're ready to move from theory to real lab experience and become truly job-ready, LabMedExpert is where your journey begins. Train smart, gain experience, get ahead.